yeah, I did a dumb thing. We had a yard sale this weekend, and I set up an easy up, and the wind got a hold of it, and this is the damage it did. So, as you can see, it put a nice dent right in it, smooth to the touch. I brought my car over to Dave's. They're gonna have the paintless dent guy look at it. But back here, not so lucky. Gouged the paint pretty good, so that's all gonna have to be repainted. That dent's not too bad, but so yeah, bad day. Yep, that's where we're at. Gonna have them do an estimate. There's no way I can leave it like that, that's for sure. Could have been a lot worse, could have broke glass, but still frustrating now. That's going to be an extremely costly garage sale. But what you gonna do? Well, got the car back from Days. They're not going to be able to do the work until April 25th. So I've got, look at that nice little shiner right there. God, it sucks. But so I took it up to Days, had them give me an estimate. I wasn't planning on using insurance because I didn't figure it'd be too crazy priced. The estimate come back almost $2,800. So yeah, I'm gonna use insurance. So I've already contacted my insurance company, State Farm, and they said that they would be under a comprehensive policy. So, and they were gonna let me use Days, so no problem there. Just have to wait now until the 25th. I'll drop it off, and then hopefully we'll be good as new. Just sucks having a garage sale. At least it's only going to cost me the full amount with a deductible, but still $2,800 for that repair. Hard to believe a plastic easy up tent would cause that type of damage, but you know, Mother Nature, she's unforgiving. So yeah, that was my stupid thing over the weekend. Cost some money, but get it fixed, it'll be good as new. So I'll give you guys an update once I get the car back and drop it off and all that. But hopefully everything will go well. So catch you on the next one.